Semangat pagi, dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silahkan like, subscribe, and share, supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris yang masih jarang digunakan part pertama. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Baik, kita langsung saja membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris yang masih jarang digunakan. Yang pertama, The Improving the Students' Reading Ability in Narrative Text Through Preconception or Misconception Check at Junior High School. 2. The Effect of Two-Column Method in Teaching Reading or Writing Skill on Narrative Text at the Junior High School. 3. The Use of One-Sentence Summary in teaching reading or writing ability in senior high school. 4. The influence students' reading or writing ability by using Muddy's point in narrative text. 5. The improving the students' reading or speaking ability in narrative text through preconception and misconception check. 6. The effect of give one get one in teaching reading or writing skill. 7. The use of ticket out the door in teaching writing ability. 8. The influence students' reading, writing, listening, or speaking ability by using four corners. 9. The improving the students' reading or listening ability in narrative text through line of agreement. 10. The effect of flash review in teaching reading or listening skill. 11. The use of elicit, confront, and resolve in teaching reading, writing, listening, or speaking ability. 12. The influence students' reading or writing or listening or speaking ability by using the final words. 13. The improving the students' reading or speaking ability in narrative text through art spiral. 14. The effect of back-to-back in teaching speaking skill on narrative text. 15. The use of CAF, consider all factors, in teaching reading or speaking ability. Berikutnya, 16. The influence students' reading, writing, listening, or speaking ability by using collect in narrative text. 17. The improving the students' reading ability in narrative text through conscience alley. 18. The effect of consequential in teaching reading skill on narrative text. Berikutnya 19. The use of constructing walls in teaching reading ability. 20. The influence students' reading ability by using creative metrics. 21. The improvement the students' writing ability in narrative text through dartboard evaluation. Berikutnya, the effect of dot voting in teaching reading skill. 23. The use of H1 teach 1 in teaching reading ability. 24. The influence students' reading ability by using fact or opinion in narrative text. Berikutnya, the improvement the students' reading ability in narrative text through Fish to 5 at junior high school. 26. The effect of freeze frame in teaching reading, writing, listening, or speaking skill. 27. The use of giant steps in teaching speaking ability. Berikutnya, 28. The influence students' reading or writing ability by using graffiti board in narrative text. 29. The improvement the students' reading or speaking ability in narrative text through hustle lines. 30. The effect of hot sitting in teaching reading or writing skill on narrative text. 31. The use of IDES funnel in teaching reading or writing ability. 32. The influence students' listening ability by using just a minute in narrative text. 33. The improvement the student's reading or writing ability in narrative text through lifelines. 34. The effect of mind movies in teaching reading or speaking skill. 35. The use of odd one out in teaching reading or writing ability. 36. The influence students' reading or writing ability by using opinion finders in narrative text. Berikutnya 37. The improvement the students' reading or speaking ability in narrative text through OPV, others people views. 38. The effect of PME plus minus interesting in teaching reading or writing skill on narrative text. 39. The use of post-it collection in teaching reading ability. 40. The influence the student's speaking ability by using revolving cycle in narrative text. 41. The improving the student's reading or speaking ability in narrative text through SWOT, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats at junior high school or senior high school. 42. The effect of tableau in teaching reading skill in narrative text. Berikutnya 43. The use of Zoom tool in teaching reading or speaking ability. 44. The influence students' reading or speaking ability by using traffic light in narrative text. 45. The improvement the students' reading speaking ability in narrative text through zone of relevance. Berikutnya 46. The effect of picture from in teaching writing skill on narrative text. 47. The use of think break in teaching writing ability. 48. The influence students' writing ability by using updating notes in narrative text. Berikutnya 49. The improvement the students' reading ability in narrative text through choral response. 50. The effect of word cloud question in teaching reading or writing skill. 51. The use of instructor storytelling in teaching reading or writing ability. Terima kasih telah menonton. Kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris yang masih jarang digunakan part pertama. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya.